Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be taking you guys to the library with me, and we're gonna go head out and buy some books. So stay with me while I show you how to do it. In case you're wondering, this is what I'm going to use to find my books. It is a KDC 200i scanner, and I'm going to be using it along with the a Seller Tool app, which I will put a link down below so that you guys know exactly what it is. And for that I pay 35 bucks a month. So yeah, I'm ready to take you guys with me, so let's go.
Show me the place where your words come from. Love is a language, love is your name.
Your destination is on the left.
Fill your lungs. The same word from where the stars are flung. Love is a language, love is your native tongue. It's a beating drum. On the baby, I'm my soul. That you're always from my
Hey guys, okay, so we finally made it to the library, and let me give you a little glimpse of what it looks like. Bam, there it is, library. So what you're gonna need is a bunch of bags and water. You know, you're gonna get tired, you're gonna get thirsty, so let's go in there and start shopping. Hey guys, so we are done with the book shopping, and I'm gonna show you all the books that I went and picked up at the library today. And to give you the numbers, I spent, because I went there on a budget, I specifically went over there and spent $20, right? And I got I got 14 books, right, for $11, and they were like about $1 or $2 a piece. I did end up buying one book for myself that I'm gonna keep to read. But these are the books right here. That's all of them. And I spent 20 bucks and I made $141 in just less than half an hour. So keep watching, guys. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so. And thanks for watching. Bye.